In this video, we'll be installing IssueTrack and getting it set up to run coordination. To find the installation folder, go to the VDC drive, Initiatives, Software Scripts and Plugins, Navisworks, IssueTrack for Navisworks, and here you'll choose your Navisworks version that you want to install to. For this example, I'm going to use Navisworks 2017. What you'll do is you'll take this folder called IssueTrack, right click and copy, and then we're going to go to the C drive, Program Files, Autodesk, Navisworks Manage 2017, scroll down to the Plugins folder, right click and paste that folder in. If it gives you this error, you're going to have to paste from the desktop first and then into the folder. Sometimes the VDC drive causes problems pasting directly. IssueTrack is now installed on your Navisworks software. To get it set up, open Navisworks, and we're going to adjust one setting, and then you'll be good to go. Now, before we get started learning how to use IssueTrack, there is one setting we need to set up first. In order to export the report images correctly, we're going to have to tweak a registry setting, but fortunately we can do this from inside Navisworks. To do this, click the big N at the top left of the screen, and here's the tricky part. You're going to hold Shift and press the Options button. What this does, it adds some advanced settings to the Options editor. Click on the Export and then LCODP image. And here change this height to 720 and the width to 1080 and hit OK. This is now saved in the registry and you won't have to change this setting again. That's it for this video. In the next video we'll be getting up and running with IssueTrack and learning how to create a project file.